The car's not moving. Don't worry, I haven't left yet. Hi, I'm Erica. I'm Odd, and today I'm very excited because I'm getting a vlogging camera. What the fuck? Oh, but I'm very excited because I'm getting a vlog camera that I have wanted for at least 2 years, and I finally was able to save up enough to get it, and it's on sale. Everything's on sale in quarantine. I don't know why. But Best Buy is doing curbside pickup where they will literally come out to your car, put it in your trunk. You don't have to interact with anyone, and that sounds like the perfect recipe for me. But right now I am leaving to go get the camera, and I am pumped. Let's do it. Hi. Pretty good. My order number is...
Seems like you've done this.
I haven't actually. I just followed the instructions. I know, right? It's amazing what happens when you read.
What are we picking up?
The Canon M50.
We'll bring it up shortly.
Sure, awesome, thank you. That was so weird. My back window like wouldn't roll up. Oh my God. That's the first time it's done it though, so what an angle. So I just picked it up right as it started to rain. So I'm pretty happy. I mean, you heard it all. It went pretty smooth. They just put it right in the back seat of my car. So I didn't have to touch nothing, didn't have to sign nothing. It was so nice. I'm pumped. Oh my God, there's so many people. Okay, I have to go. All right, guys. So I am back from the store and I am ready to do an unboxing for you guys. Now keep in mind, due to CDC guidelines, this has been completely wiped down with alcohol and disinfectant. So it is safe for me, a person who is considered a higher risk, to handle the box because there are no more germs on it. I am so excited that I finally have this vlog camera. I film on my Canon 80D, which I got my last semester at college. I love her. She's great. Perfect for sit-down videos like this and videos at my house. She's a bit big to take into public, but basically the M50, from what I hear, is a miniature Canon 80D. So we're just gonna open it up. So that's just a bunch of paperwork on top, your user manual, and paper flying out at me. So this is what you see when you first open up the box. So let's get right in. Canon strap, of course. Let's see here. The battery that it goes into. It does have a rechargeable battery. Battery charger. All Canon cameras, as long as they're not refurbished, I couldn't speak for refurbished, they all come with charging stations and everything that you need to make the camera work. And then the lens comes pretty well protected. If you think I'm not gonna pop that bubble wrap later, you are wrong. So this is just the standard 15-45 lens. As you can see, it's pretty small in size, but then again, it's a pretty small camera for the moment we've all been waiting for. The camera. Here's more packaging. Ooh, it has more of a leathery feel to it. I can't remember because I got my Canon 80D probably like 3 years ago, maybe more. So I can't remember if it had a leathery grip to start with, but it definitely has texture on the side, same with this. So overall, this is the body of the camera. And it's pretty thin and it's pretty small. It's a nice small vlogging camera that can just fit in your hand or it can fit on a tripod as I have for it. Overall, looking exactly how I hoped. So, sensor protector. I feel like a lot of people don't know this about me. I am kind of a camera snob. I know. I used to not be. I have my degree in art with a minor in film, and when I started taking videography, which is why I got my Canon 80D, I realized just the differences between each brand of camera and what they offer, what certain features they don't have. And that's one of the main reasons that I was so careful with my selection for a vlogging camera. So let me just pop the lens on. There we go. And it just locks right in. So it does have a mic jack. It has all of your different settings right along here, along with your nice little record button, and then it has a little slide on top where you can connect maybe a ring light or maybe another microphone. I have a small microphone on my Canon 80D and I will probably just use it back and forth between these two. And it has an HDMI output, that's really nice. And then you have your setup screen, and that's basically how you set up your Canon. I am so excited once we can finally go places to vlog with this. But yeah, I just wanted to make this little unboxing video of me getting my new vlogging camera. I'll probably use it for a couple videos here and there while we're still in quarantine just to test it out because I do love it already so much. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias at Erica's Odds, same way it's spelled here. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.